was just disgusted.
That sucked. Alrighty. You know what sucks about that? It shows everybody how cheap our doors are. It looks like egg crates. Listen, the last thing you want to be here on the set of The Ultimate Fighter is a door, okay? There's no future being a door here.
Doors?
Wait for the right spot.
Doors don't hit back.
Rampage is a clown, man. Why would you get mad and tear down the door when you haven't, you haven't shown that much interest in your team anyways. You haven't shown that much interest in wanting to be here. So why are you tearing down the door? You know what I'm saying? You get out what you put in. And if you put in nothing, you get out nothing. So don't be surprised. Yeah, it was a close fight, but there's no need to tear down the door, fool.
Every time I lose my temper like that, I feel ashamed because it's kind of embarrassing. It's like kind of like a kid throwing a tantrum or something. You know, it's kind of embarrassing, man. The door didn't do anything to me. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to apologize to the door, but it was too late. It was gone. So, door, you can hear me. I'll never do it again.